Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shades by Sumit. I'm creating a complete series of how to make professional detailed sketch. This series is only for those who really want to learn about sketching techniques and basic tools. Guys, I'm currently working on one couple photo and will be making real-time video for each part of face and hair step by step. So guys, if you have patience and willing to learn, then keep on watching the series. Okay, before we get started, here is a few sneak peek of few sketches. This you should be able to create it after watching this video. Tools details will be in description as well. So let's get started. So here in this first part of the video, which is day 1 tutorial. So in this series I'm working on one of the girls here part, the highlighted one. So let's work on it. So here I am using Staedtler pencils, and here I will be shading in a different layers. The first layer is always the lighter one. This should be done with lower grade pencils like 4B, 6B. I am using here 6B Staedtlers. Here I am using 6B just to give the base. Then afterward we'll be shading it with the upper grade pencils. Direction of the shading should be same as it is in the reference picture. You can check out the reference picture and the direction of it. We need to do in the same direction. So here I am done with the base shades using 6B pencil. Now I will be smudging it using soft flat brush. Any brush will work, but it should be soft. Let's see. Do not apply much pressure on the paper. Just do it slowly and smoothly. So guys, now I am using 8B pencil for second layer of shading. Do not put much pressure on pencil, do it slowly. This will give you darker shades. Draw lines as per actual picture of girl's hair. Give shades in same direction as you see in the picture. I'm using double E pencil as well. That is a Staedtler double E pencil for much more darker shades. Please note, the pencil lead should be properly sharpened. Guys, I'm again saying the shades direction or the line direction should be same as per the picture. Please check out the picture side by side. I'm giving the shade in same direction as given in the actual picture. If your sheet is not stick to the cardboard, you can move your sheet as per your convenience. As you can see, my sheet is not stick to the cardboard, so I am moving it. I am moving my hand and I am moving the sheet as well as per my convenience. So do it steadily and slowly. As you can see, I am not putting much pressure and I am not in a hurry. I'm using the brush as well for the smudging, so whenever you need, you can use your brush. The brush should be soft, so once some part of the shading is done, then you can use the brush. Here I have started giving the base shade of another part of here, so the complete tutorial of this another part of here will be in another video, which will be on the second tutorial video. So I'm following the same procedure. I'm using the 6B pencil and I'm just giving the lighter shades in the same direction that is given in the actual picture. the general charcoal pencil I'm using. This pencil is basically for the darkest part of the hairs, so I will be using at the outer part of the hairs only because that part is darker. So whenever you see the darkest part in the reference picture, give the shades accordingly. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. In the second video you will see the another part of here, how we will shade it and few more techniques to give the shading. So stay tuned for the second video.